another way of doing, I'm going to show you another way of creating a flyer, going on to postermywall.com. All right, so let me now show you my previous ones. So when you go to Poster My Wall, let me see, create. So when you go to Poster My Wall, you go to create, browse templates. Let me see. Hopefully it's getting everything. Hold on. Okay, so I'm on postermywall.com, and then you go to create. Now they have so many templates that all you have to do is edit it to your liking. So I am going to look for, I'll just type in, well, let's just see, social media graphics. So I'm trying to create a flyer for my wig class, and I want something that's catchy. So they have so many options, so many layouts. You can do videos. You can do just a photo itself, like a flyer itself, or you could do a flyer with the videos, is what I'm trying to say. All right, nothing is catching my eye so far. So what I'm gonna do is type in class, since that's what I'm gonna be holding, is a class. Hey, class. Search. And now they're gonna have several different options. And like I said, I can just go ahead and edit to my liking. So let me see what speaks to me. See, I like something like this. Let me click that. You hit customize template. All right. Now these are not my colors. This is not my color scheme, but let's see. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and edit now. So this green, my color schemes for my classes is usually like pink and like a neutral. So that's kind of what I'm into. I want it to be a solid color. And then I'm just going ahead and customizing the color. Now, the yellow, what happened? What happened? Hold on. Undo. This is the undo button. But I don't want it that color. I wanted it the pink that I had it. Okay, I like that pink. And now I'm going to change this yellow. I want it to a solid color. And I'm going to change it to, I like neutrals. Yeah. Like, this is like my color scheme on my Instagram, kind of. So I'll keep it as that, right? And now I'll delete this. I don't need this image, so I'll just hit delete. And then, like, you can always go ahead and add in things. If you want to add in pictures, I'll go to add a photo from my photos. And then they also have their own option of photos as well. So I kind of use the same images all the time. So let me see. All right, so I'll use these two images, maybe this one too, and hit add. See? So those are my images, and I'm just gonna size it down. Let's just say I want the sewing machine to be big, because this right here is what is going to draw my target audience attention, that it is a sewing machine class. So just things in that nature is what I'm going to be adding on to the flyer. I probably need to redo this image over, but I just want to give y'all a brief overview of how I do my flyers. Like, this is so simple and easy. There are so many ways to do this. So I would write Tiana Blanco presents. Boom. And then I'll go and edit this. And I'll write hands on. And I could change the font if I don't like it. So right now I'm just writing what I wanted to say. And then I'll go ahead and make it look pretty after. Hands on wig making course. Right? So I'll make this smaller. Got the sides down there. I hope this can help someone. Let's see. Let's say I'll just go on my Instagram. And I want to go on to my competition. Let's just see. Wig flyers. Let's just see that. Oh. This way you can get an idea of what people write on their flyers. Come on, taking all day. All right, so boom, this is one. Like, do you see? She has a picture of her wigs. Hopefully it's her wigs, but it's probably her wigs. And then it just says like 101 wig training class, the price. She have what you will learn, what's included. So you can get ideas from other people flyers just to help you out on, you know, what you want to add on your flyer and maybe what you don't want to add.